So historically, we found the boys' writing to be very simplistic. Their sentences were very repetitive, and their paragraphing lacked structure. I've got one little boy who, at the beginning of the year, he struggled just to form a sentence. He found the writing process extremely difficult, to the point that he needed someone there constantly to encourage him to write. I think now that we've taught the 6 different sentence styles to the boys, he's far more confident. He's able to write some really interesting sentences now, and I think his confidence has grown, and we can actually see, like I can see in his writing that he's writing more, and it's making sense. A lot of the boys actually have improved. It's amazing, and they actually enjoy it. They say, can we do more? Can we write more? Oh, can we keep doing that activity? We've found that the boys are now engaged with the writing process. They're enthusiastic about their writing, and they're developing confidence in their ability to write. Even our reluctant writers are now experiencing some success with their writing and also enjoying the sessions. We do find in their writing as well, they're using the different sentence styles. Their sentences are much more interesting than they have been in the past. But I think the biggest difference is just their change in attitude. The fact that they're actually now enjoying writing and wanting to write.